hear that? I think we got somebody coming down the trail. Hey, we're here at King Knob Off-Road Park towards Philippi, West Virginia. We've been watching the rock bouncers today. Yesterday, we watched the side-to-side. Get that shot, man. There goes another one down. Yep. We just came down that hill. It's been really fun. Yesterday, we watched the side-to-side races. Those were pretty good. I think no one really crashed. Afterwards, a kid got crazy on his pink razor, rolled it once or twice, I think. But other than that, hey, right here, King Knob, West Virginia.